Hi friends, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video, we're learning how to activate Raise to Wake Up or pick up your phone to wake up the screen feature turning on in your Google Pixel 7a. So this is very simple tutorial and simply you can see here this is my phone. I'm taking that and there is no wake up screen option. Okay, so we are manually press the power button, and if you enable this feature you can save power button usage. Okay, just open your menu, go to settings, then swipe up the screen for getting system. Okay, after that select system, then select gestures. You can see here gestures, simply open gestures. Okay, and here you can see lift to check phone, turn on that. Currently it is turned off, and here you can see the animation directly uh, pick up your phone for wake up the screen. So we are currently successfully turned on this feature and we are going to test that. So we are in home page and we are going to lock the screen by pressing button. Okay, now we are taking our phones. Now it is wake up the screens. So that's very simple and it is more useful because there is two features like wake up screen and double tap to wake up screen. Those are one of the best options to protect your power key. So whenever we are normally people normally unlock phone in a day like 113 and 118. So that times per day we are pressing our power button 130 times at least. So you can save that much of power button pressing by day. So just to turn on this feature. That's guys very simple tutorial, and if you don't like this feature you can simply turn off that feature from the settings. So that's guys, if you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replays as videos so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoy this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.